Hi guys, today I wanted to talk a bit about this thing, the grow light, and the effect it has on my Colocasia Yellow Splash. As you can see, the leaf is damaged. Now, it's definitely not because of the wind or water or fertilizers, because everything is normal. Like, I use the same fertilizers for many months, but the only difference is I have grow light now. I'm not saying that it's not good. It is good for like for me when it was kind of a winter time. It's a bit cold, so it's not ideal for colocasia. I think it'll stunt the growth a bit or quite much, and so I have to buy grow light to compensate for the lack of light. But I don't know whether it's the height, but I'm not so sure. I think it's about 2 meters, which I think the recommendation was about 90 centimeters above the plants, but mine are quite high up. But the problem is I left it on for like whole night, so I think that is the problem. That is what happening. Too many hours of light. I think it breaks the cycle of the plant. Or I don't know, normally plants, like, they absorb oxygen in the night, right? But I might be wrong. I don't know. I'm not sure whether that is the case for colocasia or not, but I assume it because of the light, because it was on the whole night and then the whole day. For about 2 days I wasn't home, forgot to turn it off, so this is what I come back home to. This leaf is damaged. This one is also damaged. I trimmed it off, and the little one here is damaged. That one is damaged, but it only happened to my yellow splash. Like these guys, the black ones are fine. The black leaves are fine. The green one are fine. Pharaoh's mask, fine. Mojitos, fine. Tropical storm, lemon lime, banana, fine. Even alocasia are fine. But the only thing that got damaged is this yellow splash. But I know that the yellow splash, if it received too much light, too many hours of light, and too intense, I think the color, the yellow, will fade. Like this one. You see? It's fading. Now, before, when it wasn't here, when I have to move it in my garage, the yellow was really prominent because of it's like it's in the shade. So, and the mojito too. The mojito now, like, it's look fading. The black spots are fading. It used to be really colorful and prominent when it was under the garage shed, and now with full sun, not so good. I mean, the color is not so good, but the growth is great. But yep, I think this is because of the light, the damage from the grow light. Definitely too many hours of light damage my yellow splash. If any of you have experienced this, leave a comment. Or do you think it caused by something else? I have no idea. Everything for me is just like the same. The lighting condition is the same. It's just I forgot to turn off my grow light for 2 days straight. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.